Here is today's toolbox tip for individuals with our theme of strength. I want you to remember that personal strength isn't about never getting triggered. You're going to get irritated and you will feel defensive and you will feel misunderstood sometimes. Strength isn't the absence of a reaction, but it is about what you do next. So, when something hits you, especially in a conversation, there's usually a split second where your body reacts before your brain catches up. Your chest may tighten, your jaw may set, you may feel the urge to interrupt or defend. That moment is where strength actually lives. It's not about suppressing it or about pretending that you're actually feeling really calm. It's about noticing it. So instead of speaking immediately, try this. Just pause. Ask yourself quietly, what am I actually feeling right now? Am I hurt, embarrassed, defensive, tired? Then ask, what story am I telling myself about this? Because often we react to the story and not the fact. And finally, what outcome do I actually want from this conversation? Do I want to win or do I want to clarify? Do I want to prove something or do I want to preserve the relationship? That small internal reset changes everything. Most regret doesn't come from weakness. It comes from reacting before we've actually processed. Strength is slowing down just enough to choose. And that choice, that's power.